car's not making any power. So change of plans. Got the babes on the job. That's it, get it girls. You're laying that sticker on nice and clean. Come on baby. Look at that. Tuned by the best in the business, CPG, Custom Performance Garage from Keysborough. Lovely. I can't find my tripod. Marvellous, I got this. Yeah. It's on the passenger seat. Oh, is it? Yeah, let me swap over. I didn't look at all. But on the way up here, I filled my car up and I left the fuel cap off. And the legend Tim Sherrock, he's got a 33. He came to the rescue and brought me one. So let's wind that on. Thanks, Timmy boy, absolute lifesaver. We're down here, yeah, Drifting SA round 2, tail and bend. Already, the 33 is very dirty. I haven't cleaned it in a long time. I've barely even checked it. Like, we're ready to go. I'm ready to go for some sends.
Is your laptop here in the car?
In the car.
Oh, go.
Thank you. Hey Siri, call Dan Cassar. Straight away, if you saw that video, instantly having issues. It's misfiring, it's surging. So this thing has been sitting for a couple of months because I had it ready for Keeper Week round 3, but they moved it back like a week before we went to go. So I'm hoping there's water in here, so hopefully we just clean it out. Check the plugs, make sure they're all good, and we hope to get back out. I do have Kleiny getting the laptop set up, and Dan Cassar is hopefully going to check the tune and make sure everything's okay. And yeah, we'll go from there. I'll update you guys along the way. Fingers crossed, something simple. It's funny this is happening because I was speaking to my man Tom Hemmings, and he's like, man, I love this car, it's so reliable. And I'm like, yeah, it's alright, eh? And then at first lap.
So this is your fault, Tom Hemmings.
Thanks, Tom. Jesus. If you look down here, you can see, as I said, it's been sitting for a long time. There's water builder. I should have checked this, but you know your boy. Yeah, look at that. Every single one is full. Look at the coil packs. So yeah, that's our issue for sure. But problem is, how are we getting this out? What we could do, pull each spark plug out, let it drain into the cylinder, and then crank it over with those spark plugs. If we just like pick it up and flip it on the side, that'll drain it out too. But I'll get a rag or a screwdriver, just dip it in, hopefully clean it up. I might just pull the spark plugs out and just have a suss of them. That thing looks fucking sick. VSX is all around, but LS. Yeah, anyway. I did blow my lock stops out, so I don't have as much lock as I'm used to. So I need to get used to that. Yeah, I'll go play around with it, eh?
You need to do a lot better.
Oh, weird. What? Leave me alone. That's awesome. So everything we've tried has not worked, and basically I have to just drive around the car. It's really frustrating, but what do you do? Yeah.
Drive around it, we'll try and fix it in the morning.
Yeah, it's very difficult to drive around, but we'll see what we can do. I was anti-lagging it, you serious?
Yeah,
Hey.
whatever it is, it's fucking good.
Alright. Dude, that is so friggin' hot. You know what, should we win some races?
I'll watch you win something. It could be the wooden spoon, it could be the broom. But you'll still win.
Look at the VSX, it's all around 265 semis, baby.
Dude, you're going to be winning fucking style.
Yeah, for sure. So I still got the bloody issue of the partial throttle. So basically we're doing roll racing now, and it's all or nothing. So when it's full throttle, it's all good. Partial throttle, it just does not work. So hopefully we go do some fun runs, get some wins maybe. At least if I win one race, I'll be happy. So let's do this. Look at these. Don't let that fit my butt. Look at those wheels. Wheels. Let's go, baby. I want to go beat that Lambo. Okay, I've already made a mistake. Did the wrong thing.
Standard.
Like that boy. And we're spinning too.
Why does it feel scarier driving straight than sideways?
I don't know, my heart was in my bloody mouth for a minute. Probably can't see shit, but we're about to race Jesse and Christina. So let's go see how we go. It should be fun. You excited? Blind as hell. What up? Something's definitely wrong on my clutch. Maybe the gearbox. It's got a really weird throw-out noise that just sounds fucked. But it just, I don't know what the hell that is. Really annoying. So that sucks. But we're going into elimination now for roll racing. I'll probably get knocked out pretty quick because they're after fast cars. But see what happens. Just have some fun, you know? Me and Nathan are just like, oh, I've got a Ford, but you never know because it looks pretty stock. Then he's like, what sort of tyres have in the back? And if you look down, God damn it! That means we'll probably get knocked out straight away. But that's alright, we'll have some fun. This thing still is pretty fast, so I hope I give you a bit of frightening.
Thanks and years.
Yeah, let's do it. thing looks pretty cool in here. Fuck it, actually, it's so sacked. Such a hot looking car. Quite annoyed that we got robbed on the on that third run, but it is what it is. It is roll racing. It's not my forte, and the car is playing up. I just would have liked to have a proper race, that's all. And it is what it is. It should have been a really close race if we actually took it at the same time, but as you can see in the video, that black V, it's like, as soon as he said to go, and you've got to wait for the light to go green, so you take off, get to a certain speed that the car on the left dictates, and when the light goes green, that's when you both punch it. And this guy just took off, and it is what it is. At least that car sounded better. We won 2 battles, but yeah, now we're going to go drifting tomorrow, so I am excited. So we'll take this thing back to pits at the drift section and get ready for tomorrow. Car's still playing up, which is really frustrating. It's just drifting. It is what it is. She needs some love. Dale Campaign told us to go this way. It's like a bike track to get back to the drift pits from roll racing. Don't know if I trust him, eh? Like, I feel like he's leading me astray right now. Like, what's going on? I got Kleiny following me, blinding the crap out of me with the lights. But hopefully, oh, rabbit. Hello, rabbit. Oh yeah. There we go, perfect. Thanks, Dale, you legend.
Oh, happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day. Morning, Mike.
Morning. Happy Mother's Day.
Happy Mother's Day to all the mums around the world and to my mum back at home.
Thanks, Cam.
Got my socks. I'm so sorry, but also.
No, don't do that.
Look at this. Day 2, and we're about to head to the track. We got some repairs to do to the 33. Danny's got to repair his S13 because he almost bloody rolled it last night. So hopefully we can get to the track and get this car back up to spec so we can drive properly. Let's go. In case you haven't noticed by now, I have a terrible memory, and we've just gotten to the track and I'm like, far out. I left my keys in my Navara because the Navara's back at the Airbnb because Kalani and the girls there still, they want to have a sleep in. And I'm like, shit, the keys are in the Navara. That's okay because it doesn't really matter. They can just bring it down when they come. I don't need the keys right this second. Then I'm like, you know what, I probably should get them. So I'm gonna get Klein out so she can come give me the keys. And then I fill my pockets and I've got the keys for the Navara in my pocket at the track, which is 20 minutes away. So now, I have things to do to the Skyline for briefing, and briefing is in 30 minutes, I think. So I should at least get there and back in time. So incredible, Cameron, absolutely incredible. So we're on the move, but yeah, see you guys at the track. Hello, beautiful ladies. Don't know. Anyway, girls are here. Smashed taillights in and ready to go. So we're going to go do some sends. First practice today. So my water sprayers, I snapped off the one of the things by accident. You look down there. So I had to tape it up. Like I've adjusted my alignment. TPS has been played with. Kane Scott, legend, who's changing tyres, gave me some new front runners off of his car because my front runners were pretty much dead. So much has happened. It's really hard to keep track of everything. I'm bloody stressed. I've been running around. I've got dirty hands. Hopefully we go out and the car's driving good and I'm driving good. So see what happens. Wish us luck. First lap now. First laps of the day of competition. Hello. See what happens. Woo!
little love tap.
Wow! Yes,
Give
yes.
you a little love tap.
I was so slow. Car is feeling really good. Sorry, the car's actually feeling terrible. But besides like the power wise, it's driving well. Like I'm definitely driving the best I've driven here before, so I'm happy about that. So now I just need to sort of just work out everything else, get my chasing done, to use my, like, I need to somehow work out how to make myself be able to stay on door without the car bogging out. So whether it's like, I don't know, I don't want to chop line, but I'm gonna keep practicing. I had some awesome runs you just saw with Hayden Hauland. He is such an animal behind the wheel. He gave me a little nudge, like absolutely perfect. He's so good to drive with. But we're gonna head out, taking Kay Slazer in the car. Yeah, let's go do some laps. Mikey boy's got some dramas, but we'll see him out in a minute, hopefully. Let's go, baby. We got some big dramas now. The car's not making any power. Like, we won't even dump first gear. So that's really shit. I don't know what's going on, man. Cool. So now I'm missing out on practice, so I'm gonna get like, yeah. Something must have knocked loose. I gotta, yeah, I'll try to figure it out and let you guys know. Hey? What?
I'm sorry.
What?
This sucks.
What? Oh, it's alright.
No, having issues.
No, I know. Fucking sucks, especially because I felt like oh my god, oh, sorry. I found my thing, my boost gauge had popped off, but I don't think that's it because it's running through the map sensor, not through the GFB. So not too sure, eh? Yeah. I could oh my god, I'm not young like I used to be. I could drive around the issue before, but this issue definitely not. I don't like you watch what boost it makes. I don't know what that boost that
I think it was 14. 18.
Hell, it's 18 PSI, like, it obviously makes double that, but it's just like, the throttle's like dead. Like so doughy that it's like, it's impossible to drive. Like, yeah, I don't know. I really don't know. So it's got good fuel pressure. It's obviously not missing. It's got to be something else. I'm going to have to plug the computer in.
Yeah.
Kind of, yeah. Anyway. We got bulk stock conversions over here on the sus in the laptop, eh?
Sus and lappy.
You didn't even see anything. I can't see anything. Yeah, trying to play with some things and do some things and see some things. And qualifying is starting now, so we are screwed. I'm going to have to borrow someone's car or something, maybe.
So I'll just borrow Mike's car.
No, thanks. Yeah. Anyway, and Mike blew third gear last night and now fourth. Basically, the car's done, doesn't work anymore. So Danny Pezek has been nice enough to lend me his car. We're both battling in L1, so hopefully we can like get through the qualifying battles. If I can win, like get a good score in a battle, I'll be happy because that car's hard to drive. I just got comfortable in this, so I'm really upset that this is happening. And I really got to apologise to the sponsors about this because now I'm driving a car that has no name on it. So it is what it is, unfortunately. We still got some good videos, some good runs, but hopefully, fingers crossed, we get a mechanical now in Danny's car. And then straight into battles. We've got Drift Squid for our first battle. He's got the cherry red 180SX, it looks amazing, so wish us luck, fingers crossed. So change of plans. Cale Scott's been kind enough to lend me his insane, pretty beat up RV20 S13. This thing's pretty bloody awesome. He drives the wheels off it, so hopefully we can do somewhat how he drives. Be a bit of a tough battle, but this car drives sick, he makes it look awesome. Can't thank him enough, absolute legend. There we go. Woohoo!
Good?
Yeah, that's alright. Thank you, man.
Oh, you got to throw up the door.
Mine's the same. Thanks, bro.
Good luck.
Thank you. Okay, can I do a mechanical? Because I haven't driven yet. God, it sounds so good too. Feels really good as well. Thank you. And this is our drift squid, our first qualifying battle. See how we go. What's going on there? I'm flicking in, but it's just understeering. So do I flick in and grab more handbrake? What am I doing wrong? I need my front tyres on it. Apparently they're bald. That bloody entry, it needs a front grip. And also it's way too shallow, like obviously not my car, so it's so difficult to gauge, isn't it? But man, I can't thank Kale enough. Got me have a run. We do have another battle depending on who it's against. See what happens. Just that no front grip. good avoidance. Nathan got the 33 back together and it is not sounding too happy. I don't know, man. This layout just doesn't seem to work with me. Like 2 years ago I did the same event and I blew the engine, so maybe this layout, round 2 of Tail and Bend is not the R33's bread and butter. Just means that maybe we have a new car for the next year. So see what happens. But Kale's car drives so good. I just got a bit of understeer coming out of the first corner. I think I was entering a lot faster in this. So when I was coming out shallow, I foot broke and it just like understeered on me and I went off like almost off track. But besides that, it drives so well. So RBS chassis, just keep that in mind. Thanks for helping me, man. Really appreciate it. But Kale's gone out for his battle now. His next qualifying battle. I'm currently like 4th last, so I have to go out and do a solid run. So I'm going to lower the pressures in the front of this car, maybe up the pressures in the rear because maybe it's got too much grip and it's pushing the front wheels as well. And just yeah, to go lay it down, I reckon, because that car's capable. Anyway, yeah, as soon as I pulled off, like I pulled on the track and skimmed the rest of the track, and it was like really good. I really enjoyed it. So yeah, wish us luck. Fingers crossed. Again, sorry to my sponsors: Elite Auto Garage, CPG, Raceworks, 21 Fab, all those guys. Kalani, she's disappointed with me over there. Anyway, poor RB, far out. Our next battle the battle of the S13, RB20, JZ. How you going, mate? Ready for some fun? Hell yeah. S13 on S13 crime. This is Tim Rasmussen, S13, JZ, and also doing Cale Scott's RB20 S13. So we'll go have some fun in this battle. Hopefully I can get that corner. There we go. It's all about having fun, ain't it? Let's go. Woo! To say a massive thank you to Cale. Let me run his car. This thing is sick. I just want to thank you so much. Like, if you're in SA, make sure you head over to Scott's Tyres in Adelaide. In Adelaide?
Yeah,
Lonsdale. Hit him up. He's a legend. All the boys down. His brother Kane. He gave me some tyres for my car. So again, thank you so much, man.
It's good to see you back out.
So good. I need an S-Chassis RB.
Yeah,
I think it's got to happen.
Yeah, next week.
Yeah, next week. I wish. Thanks, man. Shit, yeah.
Forgot how to drive.
Can't do it, eh? Yeah, quite scary. How do you do it?
So definitely not the way I wanted that event to go. We had issues from the get-go with the 33. I just was struggling to drive the entire weekend. This is a week later now. I was actually sick the entire week after the event. I had Kalani tow me to and from the track in South Australia, 8-hour drive. A massive thank you to her. This entire event couldn't have been possible without people who were supporting us. I ended up getting free entry from Drifting SA from a couple of years ago when I ended up winning the Victorian South Australian overall prize, which was a free entry to the entire series. A massive thank you to Renee and Stewie from Drifting SA. And then we have obviously my main sponsor, Elite Auto Garage. I couldn't have made this event without them, without their sponsorship from the tyres. So a massive thank you to Nisha and Ali. Next on the list is Cale Scott. Let me drive his S13 when the R33 gave up. That car was so much fun to drive. It definitely had a little bit less power than my car. It sort of made up for it for the high diff ratio. Cade Tobar and Nathan Makovic, another massive thank you to these guys, two of my good mates, helped me out the entire weekend pretty much. Whatever I needed to be done, they did it. Kane and Scott giving me front tyres for the R33 when I found out the ones on mine were bald. Not that it really mattered because I used them for like 2 runs and then the car broke. So that was cool. I did have a chance to have a look at the 33, did a contest on it and all came back pretty good. Highest cylinder being 150 PSI, the lowest cylinder being 135, so a little bit lower, but still within range and still fine. I think we're leaning towards thinking it might be a caster-related issue, which we did pull it apart at the track and it seemed okay, but one of those things that you gotta know till you try. I am dropping it off to CPG this Friday, try to diagnose exactly what's wrong. I have pulled apart the ITBs, so pulled off all the throttles, everything looks okay. My original thought was maybe something's wrong with actual throttle bodies, maybe like they just weren't opening up together. But they all look fine, all the linkages seem fine, all the gaskets are good. So, and yeah, take it down to Dimitri and Dan at CPG in Keysborough, and they're gonna go over it and make sure everything is okay. I'm gonna have to replace that turbo because it's got blown seals in it, so oil is just constantly squirting out the exhaust, and it's killed 2 O2 sensors now. So that could also be part of the issue. So many things wrong with that motor. If it still works after we fix the issue it's got now, then all's good. But it's at the point now where that motor has been through 4 rebuilds. It's got cracks in the block, so it might be worth just moving to a new motor. I definitely don't have the money to be doing that, but unfortunately, when you want to keep drifting, you got to spend the money. I do have an RB30 in this, and I've thought about maybe selling the motor out of this. And then building another 25, a fresh clean block, clean crank and all that, and then taking parts out of the R33 and just putting it into a new motor altogether. Who knows? If the motor is done, I won't do any more events this year in it, and I'll completely rebuild it. But if it's still okay, I'll still do a few competitions here and there. And then obviously we got the E36 I'm doing, which we got a few events planned later in the year that we want to get Kalani to, a couple of girls' days. And maybe take the Laurel for her as well. We'll see what happens, I guess. If you watched this far, we are nearing 10,000 subscribers, so if you aren't already, please subscribe. And if you also haven't watched this far, I do have a bit of bonus footage to put in from us at the pub after the event, doing some pub activities. Bit of a long video, also not the best one, because we did terrible in the event. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Hit the like button, subscribe, comment, and we will see you guys in the next video. Maybe an E36 video. Maybe an S14 video, maybe a Laurel video, maybe a rocket video, who knows. Anyway, thanks for watching, guys. See you later. That fucking dog.
Wait. 100%.
It's a good one.
Oh.
You see it?
What the?
One, bro.
3, 2, 1, go!
Mono.
Yeah, really?
3 seconds, 4 seconds. Squid comes down the last corner. Now.
He's clipped the wall.
Woo!
11:28. Okay,
Get up on there.
Ken's turn.
Ken's turn.
I'm a.
Alright, Cam, you better win something this weekend.
Fuck, that was a workout, man.
Alright.
Holy
Come
shit.
on. Alright. 2, 1, go!
Oh, you're done, Skid.
Yeah, I'm fucked.
5 seconds.
God damn it.
I'm not doing it. He fucking smokes his all-in go-kart. So really? Piece of shit.
Ready, Jesse?
Yellow line.
1, go!
Oh, he's fast. He's fast.
He's fast!
He's got the long string.
Oh, get lost.
It's that long stroke game, isn't it, Christina?
Okay, come on, mate.
God damn. Going after that. No, you gotta go. Get in the seat. Get in the seat. All right.
You know where everything is.
Dude, you look so huge.
Are you ready?
Alright. 3, 2, 1, go! He's bumming down. Come on, mate.
Is that an SR?
Oh, it's finished.
Did I beat?
Seconds.
You see what?
Yeah, come on.
Go.
Go, Tara. Get up. I'm like, I need more PSI in the wheel.
Oh my God.
I need more PSI.
You ain't even mean shit.
Wait, I always say that.
It's okay, go.
Wait, oi. Yeah. On the, no, back. Yeah, that's it. All right, everyone, ready?
3, 2, 1, go!
Ah! Kaylani,
I don't.
get up. Everyone's doing it. Get on. Come on. Remember how you're like, I don't want to drift, and you're like, you're better than me?
Can I have a trial lap?
No.
Lean forward.
3, 2,
Black flag.
1, go!
You look like an old lady.
1575.
This is going to be the best game ever.
That was bloody terrible, mate.
That was terrifying.
You look like me qualifying today.
I'm so scared.
You
I'm still not okay.
Whips her out of the seat, throws her in.
I might suck, but at least my car doesn't suck.
Do what you did because
I don't know that. 4 seconds.
I fall. With you guys.
Nah, you be fine.
You're experienced.
Drift
I can't lean forward because I can't push myself back up.
This sounds like a whole lot of SR excuses.
Can we ask Mike after you?
Yeah. Three. Oh, wait. Two, go.
Ready, Christina? 3, 2, 1, go! Good focus. Come around the corner. Oh,
Mike Lake. Mikey. Mike Lake. Tate's next. Go, boy. Go, boy.
You have to sit up. The
Spare wheelchair for tandems, please.
Oh, time trials.
Time trials. Who's fastest? Jesse, 6.
Do I get a side left?
No, it's not that. No. Sorry, yellow one. I did a mechanical.
She fucking is.
No, don't like that. Yeah, thanks, Tara.
Oh, my starting front wheels on.
Yep. All right.
3, 2, 1, go!
And Mike Lake, he's on the run. He's taking, big strokes. Look at him go. And he cut, whoa. Yeah.
You didn't explain the rules. Bullshit. You didn't explain the rules. I thought this was the finish line.
Why would this? Where's the bloody line, mate? No. No. Get out of here, boy. Get out.
Bullshit.
Give it a crack.
Give it a shot. Come on, Tate. So, start line and finish line. Wait. Oh no!
Oh, he's using his foot! What the?